Hello Breakthrough Learners, my name is Tisha T and I teach children how to read and write English and Setswana. On today's video, I'll be teaching you the letter sounds. The letter sounds help us sound out words. The first letter that we have is A, B, B, K, K, D, D, E, G, G, I, J, J, K, K, L, O, R, R, S, S, T, T, A, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Well done. Now I need you to go over this video again, practice the letter sounds as many times as you can until you know them. Now let me know your name and where you are watching from, and I will see you on another video. Make sure to like and subscribe and share with your friends so that they can learn how to read and write as well. Bye.